Backstory on this washer and dryer that we bought. It's a $2,300 set. I got it for $800. Now the lady, she had purchased it from a scratch and dent place. Had a grade B, had a scratch and dent, whatever. She purchased it for like $1,800. She went to rent a space. She didn't get the space. Goes to sell these. She had them for sale for $1,200. She had them for sale for a long time, and then she lowered it to $999. I offered her $800. I got them. Brand new, never even been used. Apparently the dryer was dropped. This dryer doesn't have a vent. All the water gets pumped out and sucked out and yada yada. So, the bottom was cracked, the water runs out. I'm guessing that's why she's selling it, or sold it. She either knew about it and didn't want to replace it, or didn't know it was broken because it's not really that big of a deal to notice. Anyways, in order to do this, you have to take everything off of the top of the bottom and then put everything back on the new bottom. The hole is right here, so all the water runs out right here. So I gotta take all of that stuff off the top and put it on top of this one. Let's see how that goes. Alright, I got all that stuff off. There's the base. The hole is right there. Just like that, it's fixed. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to try to fix your own shit. You don't need an engineering degree to be curious.